Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to dispute on AliExpress. So before opening a dispute on AliExpress, you need to make sure that you understand when you can do that. And those reasons include like your order didn't arrive to you, or for example, if it arrived, then it came damaged, wrong, fake, or missing parts. Or for example, item doesn't match description. So okay, let's go to account and enter my orders tab right here. And now you want to find order that you want to dispute for and tap on it to open its details. And it should look like this. So you need to find button open dispute and press it, which will redirect you to this dispute page. So now you should fill in this form. The first thing that you should do is select whether you want to have only refund. So you select that in case when you want to keep your item and get your money back. Or you can select second option, refund and return items, when you want to send your item back and get full refund. Then you should select dispute reason. Again, as I mentioned earlier, so your item didn't arrive, item not as in description, broken, wrong, etc. Then you should set refund amount. So you enter full amount if your package didn't arrive at all, or partial amount if you will keep your item but you want some money back. Then you should explain why you're requesting your refund in this box. So give details to the seller so that you persuade your seller. And last but not least is that you should upload some evidence. So upload some photos, videos, screenshots, whatever that will support you. And do not forget to save your dispute by pressing submit button at the bottom. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.